Okay guys, let me quickly show you something. Business owners with money in their hands are looking for sales funnel design experts to help their business grow online. Now, if I go to a website like Fiverr, for example, we will see people offering this skill for as high as $300. You can see this one 285, 100. I'll build you a high converting sales funnel in ClickFunnels 100. This one I'll do WordPress sales funnel design, sales page design, $150. I will set up ClickFunnels landing page and sales funnel, $245. This is a high paying skill, no doubt. All right, now in my course I'll be showing you how to design this particular sales page. This is the example I used in the course. I'll show you how to design everything you see on this page easily. All right, this skill took me over 7 years to get to where I am now, but you'll be learning everything in this course in just a few hours. You will learn everything I know to design a sales page like this, and you will get paid handsomely for it. All right, I charge not less than 50,000 naira to do a simple page like this, and it does not take me more than 1 day to do. Okay, I'll show you everything step by step in my online course. Now if you count these pages here now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then plus this one 8. I don't want to open it because it has some sensitive information. That's about 8 pages there. Right now, those pages I charge not less than 50,000 naira for those pages. Calculate it, that's over 400k, and this is less than 60 days I did all these pages. I also make money from Fiverr. All right, I have my sales funnel design services on Fiverr. So if you are interested in learning this skill, my course will show you everything you need to know about this skill. What I've learned for the past 7 years, you will learn them in just a few hours with my online course. I'll give you the tools, I'll give you the resources, I'll give you the support and everything. As you can see, this is where I uploaded the course for you. Once you make payment, you get access to everything here. All right, so click the link below to learn more about my course and enroll right away at the huge discount price. Don't waste time because this discount will not last long. All right, so see you in class, guys. Peace out.